Hello there, I'm Sean Greasley and welcome to another edition of our DirectX 9 tutorials. In this tutorial I will be briefly describing the transformation process within DirectX. What the transformation process does, it combines translation, scaling and rotation all together in one program. So you're transforming shapes. Similar to the others, in the render function we're using the Direct 3D extensions matrix as a class to define transform matrix, our variable. We're then defining rotation and scaling rotation as Direct 3D extensions quarter neon. We're then using quarter neon rotation your pitch roll for the address of rotation, and for the address of scale in rotation. Then passing these values here, in which rotate angle is a variable we defined at the start of the program. We're then combining all our activities here, for example scaling, rotating, translating and scaling. This is scaling center, this is scaling, two different things. We're then using the transformation to pass these addresses to the DirectX function here, and rotating it by 0.1 each time so the shape rotates about the program. Also on top of this we're changing the scale of the x-axis by 0.025 float value. As you can see, we've defined our variables here, the DirectX, Y and Z as translation values, G scale X, Y and Z as scaling values, and our rotation angle as the rotation value. So when we run this program, looking at our render, what would you expect to happen? Well, what we're incrementing is the rotate angle, so something's going to rotate, and the scale of the X, so something's going to stretch while it's rotating. If we run this slowly but surely, I'm sure we're going to get that effect. So we have something rotating, as you can see. I apologize again for the speed, but as you can see it's stretching as well. It's hard to see with the speed, but you can see that it is stretching as well while it's rotating. So this is how to combine all the functions we have used before, using rotation, scaling and translation, like so. So I've been Sean Greasley, thank you for listening once more, enjoy the rest of the tutorials on the website, and good night.